Betty is one of literally millions here in the United States who suffer with lymphedema, an incurable chronic disease that occurs all too frequently from cancer therapy, poor vein health, sedentary living, unmanaged obesity, and other causes. When conventional treatments failed, Betty nearly lost hope. But she discovered the healing power of touch through complete decongestive therapy, skillfully applied by a certified lymphedema therapist like Lori.
Well, I was lymphedema swelling free for several years after my mastectomy, but one day I heard a pop and I think I lifted something too heavy and did some of the things you're never supposed to do if you are prone to lymphedema. And of course I had arm swelling, and I had therapy at a local hospital, and after that abated, I then ended up swelling free and was fine for a couple of years, and then I had another session. And someone told me about a lymphedema therapist, and I went to see that person, and I felt that they weren't professional. So I was definitely seeking someone that I really needed help, and I needed someone with professional credentials, and Lori was that person.
The treatment plan went accordingly. As far as she was a great patient who did what was supposed to be done on her end, which made my job easier. When you treat a patient with lymphedema, you're not only just treating them, but you're teaching them how to take care of themselves. And so if they are being consistent with what we teach them, and they come into all their appointments, we see an automatic drop in lymphatic levels, or circumference in her arm. She immediately, like the next visit, you could see a difference in the size of her arm, and each time she would come in, the arm would go down, but she still had to follow the protocol too for what we told her to do, and you can tell when a patient does that.
Hello, I'm Steve Norton, the founder of the Norton School of Lymphatic Therapy. With the current supply of qualified lymphedema therapists estimated to be only 1 per 100,000 lymphedema patients, there's an acute shortage of trained specialists who can provide this care. People like Betty desperately need your help. If you're a licensed physical or occupational therapist, nurse, or massage therapist, becoming a certified lymphedema therapist could well be the most rewarding professional accomplishment of your career. Through our unique blended training format, you can first study the theory online, then learn hands-on skills in a supportive classroom environment in a location near you. Here's what Sarah, one of our experienced therapist instructors, has to say.
I feel like when I'm teaching a class, it's my job to get everybody in that room to the finish line. And I will not stop until I can do that. And everybody handles that challenge a little bit differently, but I feel like my colleagues and I, we're very dedicated to how we can make our students successful.
When you enroll in our program, you'll be learning complete decongestive therapy, the evidence-based international gold standard therapy, which includes manual lymph drainage, state-of-the-art compression bandaging techniques, and much more. Through the Norton School of Lymphatic Therapy's unique format, you'll be certified in just 5 working days and 2 weekends, preparing you, like our therapist Lori, for immediate, confident, rewarding clinical work with patients like Betty.
The fulfillment that I get out of this is indescribable. The fact that I'm helping someone in a way that they can't get from a doctor's office, they can't get from just a regular physical therapy setting or hospital setting. Normally, without the lymphatic therapist, then, they are just going along day by day without treatment and just trying to make do or just get by. And the fact that I'm the one that's helping them get better, yes, that makes you feel really good.
Now is the time to enroll in classes near you. Contact the Norton School of Lymphatic Therapy today. For more information, contact us using the response form here on our website, or call us at 1-866-44-LYMPH. That's 1-866-445-9674.